Okay, so finally I got the replacement board. Yeah, this is the replacement board for this fridge, and I'm going to replace it. I did put it in the box already. This is the old one. The problem is that the connectors are not exactly in the same place. You can see the two wires, the red and the black, here on the side, here on the top. But other than this, I did check all the other connection and they look the same. So I will now start to replace it, and then we'll test with the new board. Hopefully it will solve the issue. So very simple, just unplug all the four together, maybe two and then the other two. Okay, it is a little difficult to take them all at one shot. But you can do it. And then plug the same. Yeah, so they are all exactly aligned as in the old board. Then I have this connection here. By the way, usually there is a clip that you can press and it will go much easy out. This goes here, and now another sensor, probably this is one of the temperature sensor, almost sure about it, go exactly the same. And then the other two wires here, yeah, just by the colors, red and black. Yeah, now before closing everything, maybe I can close it, because even if it is not solving the issue, I currently don't have other choices, so I will close it and then test it.